Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kui. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Husband JT here with me, y'all. Today we doing a Chinese food mukbang. We got some shrimp fried rice. Both of us got boneless spare ribs. We got 2 shrimp egg rolls. I got some, what is this, sweet and sour sauce. And we got us a shot today, y'all. Happy Friday. Ugh, I'm not taking this whole shot. Hope y'all having a good Friday.
You fixed it. He said that's a double. Cool.
Y'all just got me some tequila 1800 margarita in here. Because I was not taking that whole shot. So y'all, we're going to play a game at the end. This is called Incoherent. We got this from Walmart. So we're going to play that when we finish. So you ready to get started, babe?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
We got to say our grade.
Amen.
I'm hungry too, y'all. How y'all doing? Let me know how y'all doing. You can put your stuff right here.
Hello.
Right here. Or you going to eat it out of there? They have to see the food, babe. It's a mukbang.
What I'm gonna eat from where you at?
Yeah. What's y'all favorite thing to get from the Chinese place? I usually get what I usually get?
That broccoli.
Sesame chicken and broccoli.
Yeah.
Every time he get this, I always try to eat it all. So I was like, let me just go ahead and get it this time, so I won't be eating his food. But we should have got it so we can have a variety. I like to use soy sauce on mine. You like duck sauce on?
Yeah.
I like to use soy sauce on my rice. I know some people put, like him, he put duck sauce on his rice.
So soy sauce too
Soy sauce is too salty, but you don't have to put a lot. I don't put a lot.
I just ain't a big fan of salt, period.
Yeah, you don't eat salt. I try to stay away from it, but I still eat it.
I hate it as long as it ain't too much. If it ain't too much, that's a go for me.
Y'all, I was craving Chinese food today. So your food is super far away.
Yeah.
I feel like I need a bigger knife fork.
Huh?
I feel like I need a bigger fork. So I had to get us some real forks, honey, because that little plastic mess is not doing it for me, okay? So good. You eat sweet and sour sauce?
You can dip your arrow.
So good.
Yeah, it is.
Huh? Yeah, it is. But y'all, we got this little crazy game. That's the only game we could find at Walmart. I was gonna get like the Jenga game, but what is it? And it's called Jenga.
Jenga, yeah, with the
But I told him you had to. Most of the time when I see people playing that game, they like take shots and stuff.
Not really.
Here's how I seen people play.
Oh shit. I forgot I was using this for my little plate.
Hey, bro, look.
Let me grab it. Try that.
Yeah, I usually get like chicken and broccoli or beef and broccoli from the Chinese place, or chicken wings. Their chicken wings so good. Good.
Hot? Ooh.
I warmed it up too much.
Real hot. She's trying to burn my taste buds, y'all. Pretty good with that sweet and sour, though. Tastes good with the sweet and sour. My first time. Alright. No,
I need a little more. It's so good.
So what's the game about?
It's about I guess most cards got like a bunch of like gibberish stuff up there. Like I think it's like scrambled up or something. So you gotta, so you gotta like figure it out. That's the only game we could find in Walmart. I used to boneless spare ribs. Alright.
Very real hot. I'm gonna drink up.
What you got? Did you get the 1800?
Yeah, same. watermelon?
Yeah, that's the watermelon kind. If y'all ain't never tried it, 1800, the margarita mix is already mixed. It's so good. They got like 4 different kinds. I think they got black cherry.
That's why I bought it yet.
Yeah, I had it kind of before. Black cherry, pineapple, watermelon, and I think they got mango and peach.
Peach, yeah.
This is watermelon kind. I don't think I never had watermelon.
I think you said somebody else the other day. That's why I got it.
Because we're not using our hands, so I thought we probably didn't need no napkin. But now you do, huh?
Anything for you, though. No blessing on the camera.
These boneless spare be good.
They always hit.
They don't taste better than Enfield. What you think?
Nah, I ain't feel got them real fraud. They boneless. They got them real deal frauds.
Yeah, my hometown where I'm from, they got the best Chinese place. And they got the best boneless spare ribs. That's where he started eating them from when he first met me. I put him on to these and he ain't stopped eating them since.
Nah, they been here down there though. They been here.
They be here.
They been here.
You gotta talk for you. You know you talk. You can't hear what you saying.
Huh?
You know nobody can't hear what you saying because you talking to your bro.
Got a different lingo. My lingo different. It take for you to be around me to get to know it.
Hot.
I got my own language.
You got your own language.
Got my own language.
Some girl come in and said, y'all country. Everybody always calls us country. We from the country, y'all.
I get full when I sit down here.
Me too.
I think it's just the gravity just pushes more down on your food. More right here. So you get full faster. That make any sense?
I don't know about it.
Hey, you never know.
You ready to play the game?
Yeah, let me see what you got. What's your box?
That rice good. So Kanye didn't drop his album today. It's supposed to drop today.
I ain't even sure. Unless they
Yeah, his album supposed to drop today, Friday.
but drop that on about 2 Fridays ago. I don't know, I ain't even watching. We were watching last night.
Did y'all watch the verses with who was it?
Cameron, Locks and Dipset.
And Dipset. It was so good. We love watching the verses on Instagram, y'all. If you don't know what that is, it's like a
that was the most livest verses I seen.
If you don't know what it is, it's like a well, it's not a competition. I guess they don't never pick who win. It's like when 2 artists go against each other, like 2 similar.
We the ones to choose.
Yeah. But they don't never say like who won. I don't think. I don't know.
Nah, they ain't gonna do that.
But it's like when 2 artists go, 2
but
similar
we gonna
artists.
do it on the outside.
Talk on me again.
2 separate artists go. We hear you, baby. Go ahead.
It's like when 2 similar artists they go against each other and they go like hit for hit. I guess that's what you can call it. But they don't never pick no winner.
You want a battle rap? You want a battle rap one day?
Okay.
Do our own verses.
Okay. I'm gonna win.
We ain't rapping though.
What you gonna do?
We gonna eat.
Hell no! You can out eat me.
Nah, it's not that like no competition.
Oh, excuse
I'm
me.
gonna cook something for you. You cook something for me.
Okay. I'm gonna see who's best.
We just gonna judge. There ain't no best. That's just how the verses is. It ain't no best.
We can do that.
We gonna let the fans
What
shoot.
you gonna cook breakfast? That's all you can cook.
I got some grilled food.
Oh yeah, grilled food. Meats.
Play with me now. Throw some oxtails on that motherfucker.
Meats though, what you gonna cook? Sides?
Can I do sides too?
Yeah. Throw some corn in the pan from my can.
Alright. I put some macaroni and cheese on that grill, girl. Play with me. Hold me on the grill.
Together first, John. Gotta know how to mix the macaroni together.
I already know. You don't tell me the recipe. The voodoo cheese.
Voodoo cheese? What?
Guru. You know what the hell I'm talking about?
Gouda cheese.
Man, you know what I'm talking about. I know what type of cheese is. The smoked Gouda.
Smoked Gouda.
Me.
Don't be telling nobody my recipe.
Yeah, I edit it. But you know what the hell I'm talking about. Play me. Try to play me, y'all. Like I ain't got the recipe. I've been on it.
Yeah, I can eat that rice by itself.
Yeah, I would play this.
Incoherent.
I don't know nothing
the
about
adult part. The adult. It say what is that? It said the adult party game.
Adult party game, y'all. Gibberish. Adult party game. It said each card had a combination of words on the front that, when recited out loud, sounds like phrase written on the back. For example, try reciting thirds, teeth, or stay out loud. Can you hear the hidden phrases? Listen closely. You being saying,
I'm full now.
Thursday. Okay. This game is simple. Compete to decode the phrases before the times run out. Categories. The cards are broken up into 3 categories. Party, pop culture, and scandalous. Each round lasts for 60 seconds or until 3 cards have been decoded. Whichever comes first. One person is designated judge each round. The judge starts the round by flipping the time and hold up the front of the card. Everyone else is a translator. The translator reads the front of the card aloud. Whoever decodes the phrase first wins the card. Having trouble? The judge is allowed to reveal one hint found on the back of the card per round.
Like a bunch of gibberish, y'all. That's what they call it, like scrambled up words. And we gotta it takes 60 seconds for us to guess the answer. You can change. You can't change the category. It's like 3 categories.
Yeah,
like
3 cards,
it's like a party category, scandalous, and pop culture.
Yeah.
So you get 60 seconds. You can change what category you got to after. But you got to do all that in 60 seconds. So I chose party category.
Yeah, you get 3 cards around. So.
Hold on, let's. So here's the timer thing. It says Bridget Alphonmitten. What? Bridget Alphonmitten. What is that?
Do you need a clue?
Yeah, give me a hint.
The hint is passion puke.
Passion puke?
Yeah. Pretty normal puking except with double the airtime.
I don't even know what it is.
You got 6 seconds. You want another card?
Yeah, give me another one.
Right.
Oh my god, this is hard, y'all. I don't know what the hell that is.
Next card.
Sun Ace carries. What's the hint?
Hungover. Need another clue?
Yeah.
I'm never going to drink again. Right.
Sun Ace carries. What? Sunday Scaries.
Your time over it, baby.
Dang, what is it?
Sunday
Scaries. That's what I said. I said Sunday Scaries. I got that right.
Who?
I ain't gonna know what this is. Projective vomiting, passion puke. Man, this game is gonna be real hard.
All right, baby. I guess I did.
So which one
right.
you want? You want party, pop culture, or scandalous?
I mean pop culture.
Pop culture. Okay.
You can't.
So pop culture is the yellow one, y'all.
Can't forget to turn my time upside down.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. It say here say I hook a for henna beezer. What? Man.
I hook up here henna bees her. Can I
Man,
get a
you
hint?
don't know that. You're not gonna know that. I already know because I don't even know what it is.
Let me get a part of it.
Okay, you gonna know what this is. So this a bull leg fried hay. Bull
leg
fried hay. The hint is crazy shopping.
Black Friday.
Yeah. You got that one right.
All
See,
right.
let's pick the ones that we
Party.
think we're gonna get right.
Alright, party. I got it here. I got it more
Oh, you got
time.
party. Okay. Okay.
Can Eb his. What?
Can it his?
Hint.
Like MJ.
Cannabis.
Yep. He got 2. Oh my God, you beating me. Okay, I want to choose Scandalous, the red one.
Alright.
Cause we didn't choose out here.
Okay, you should know this. You ready?
Say Full Hurt Inc.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. 60 seconds. Let's go.
Full Hurt Inc. What's the hint?
Talking to your crush.
Flirting.
Alright. What you want next?
Alright, the same one.
Okay.
It's a vote for a rental new did he. I'm gonna get out.
I'll try now.
Okay, it says
Yeah, you should get this one.
Spermud hun her. What's the hint? Sperma.
Baby Charity. A father from afar.
Sperm donor.
Alright. Nah.
I'm almost done.
Go.
Boule poem odd who. What is the hint?
Bunny.
I ain't gonna get that one. My time is out.
Tied up 2-2.
2 and 2.
Time go fast.
Yeah. There's no 60 seconds. Okay, which one you want?
Give me party.
Party? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as I show you the card, let me see. Let me see if you can get this one. No. No.
Well, you just get to choose my cards.
Okay. Okay, he got the party one. Here say far 10 gimp up lick.
Alright.
Far 10 gimp up
Let
lick.
me get my 60 seconds.
Oh. Now
Let me get a hint.
the hint is noisy outside. A typical weekday activity.
Fart and get up lit. Fart and get up lit.
you got
Fart and get up lit.
fart and noisy outside.
Get up.
Fart and where?
Farting in public.
Yeah.
Oh, farting in public.
Farting in public.
Okay. Alright, I think that's one.
You want the same one?
Yeah,
You
give
want
me
party?
party. Give me party again.
Okay. This one says half dare Barty.
Have their party.
Have their party. Hint is round 2. The party for the people who are too cool for the party.
Have their party.
The next party.
What?
The party for the people who were too cool for the first party.
After party.
Round 2, yeah. Your time's up.
I got 2. No, it just went out.
Okay, come on.
Well,
My
these
turn.
thing hard.
You think they
Have
hard?
their tea.
Round 2. Nobody got a good
After
hint. You gotta give good hint so the person can know.
Shit. What you want, my bad?
I want Scandalous. I like them. Still eating.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready. Her first.
Facebook's talking.
You ready?
Yeah.
60 seconds. Let's go.
Facebook's talking.
Need a hint?
Yeah.
Your hint is social spy.
Facial talking? What kind of talking?
Talking to social media in order to spy on your ex life.
Facebook talking.
Who?
Facebook talking.
Talking?
Facebook.
The S. Start with the S. You there, but you start with the S.
Social talking.
You right with the Facebook.
Facebook.
What it is?
Facebook stalking.
Yeah.
8. I mean, I got 2, 3.
I ain't even keep up. I think you got 4.
Ah, you know what? You a cheater. You got 3, 4.
Oh, you got 3. Yeah, that's your third one. Right. Okay, let's go, babe. Your time ran out.
Okay, babe purse draws. What's the hint?
Eco-friendly. A nightmare after 2 sips.
Babe purse draws. My time out.
What you got though?
Babe purse draws.
Give me something.
What's it? Read the other thing.
A nightmare after 2 sips. That's a sentence, and the hint is eco-friendly.
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 Eco-friendly. I don't know what it is. What is it?
You use them all the time. Nightmare after
Glass
2
straws.
sips.
Some straws.
Read it again.
Paper straws. Oh my God, it's getting fun, y'all.
Man, you got yeah, alright.
But this one is Fairy. So he got the scandalous one, y'all. It's a Fairy Ken Tush Eats.
Fairy Ken Tush Eats.
Yeah.
Fairy Ken Tush Eats.
So what you say? You said Fairy Ken Tush Eats. Your time is up, but I'm gonna let you still get it because
Favorite teeth airman. I don't fucking with that shit. That means retired here. I'm drinking and get this. That shit's hard. Fairy Ken.
Kiki undercover. Fairy Ken the sheets.
Can I get the sentences,
Freak in the
please?
sheets. It's a freak in the sheets.
Who?
A freak in the sheets.
I never got that shit. You hear that?
I got the scandalous one, y'all.
What you got?
So you got me scandalous, right?
Shit.
I ain't look at it.
E.D. She got scandalous, y'all. It's a deep hack king.
Deep hack king. What's the hint? Deep hack king.
Not coffee. Want me to put it in the sentence?
Deep caffeine.
Nope.
Caffeine king.
Nope. No caffeine king today, so.
That's what it sounds like. Deep hack king.
The delicate act of draping one's corn purse over another's face.
Deep packing.
Something you drink when you're sick.
When you what?
What my hint say? Not coffee.
Caffeine.
Read your word again.
Deep hack king.
Okay, not coffee.
Decaf.
No.
What you mean? Teabag.
Yup. Teabagging.
Oh.
Teabagging.
Deep hack. Oh my God, that's so stupid. Not coffee. Deep hacking, teabagging. What? No, this is the dumbest game ever.
Give me party.
Party? Okay.
I take party.
Party.
That's all good wasted.
Ooh, let's see. Ooh, you saw that? Okay. So, this says Full Lock Co. It's a banned substance. The cheapest way to black out and get wired out of your mind at the same time.
Full locker hoe. Full locker hoe. 4 locos. 4 locos.
I knew he was gonna get there, y'all. He used to love 4 locos. Y'all, we used to drink 4 locos.
I ain't gonna lie, the hint. I don't know what the hell you say with the hint or whatever, but
I say a banned substance, the cheapest way to black out and get wired out of your mind at the same time. Remember we used to drink them when we was in
that hint,
y'all, we was in high school. No, we had just got out of high school. We used to drink them just to get, a little tipsy real quick before we went in the club.
What you want? Oh, I get another. Oh, you wanna do 3 cards to the limit?
Just do back to back.
Just back to back. Okay, what you want?
Give me party. I always do scandalous. This little shy, I'm still trying to drink.
Oh yeah, this might be a good one for you. It says, this chicken ate it right her.
This chicken ate it right here. What's the hint?
The hint is the real MVP tonight. The real MVP of the night.
What else?
The only double D's who will let you in their car. The only double D's that let you in your car. The real MVP of the night. Double D's.
The second aided rifle.
Say it faster.
The second aided rifle. The second aided rifle. What? No, I don't understand.
The real MVP of the night.
The second aided rifle.
When we sipping, what we doing? When we sipping too much, what we need?
Designated driver.
There you go.
Damn! Oh my God, it's crazy. It be rhyming with what it say. I don't know.
I feel like you gotta say it fast in order for
Yeah,
it
me
kinda,
too.
but it still be kind of off.
Yeah, he got the scandalous card, which is red, and it says his cat 10 out in a herd. His cat 10 out in a herd.
His cat 10 out in there. His cat 10 out in there.
The hint is Nelly. A failed attempt on being smooth.
Nelly,
Nelly.
the rapper.
Yeah.
It's getting hot in here, so take up all your clothes. I am getting so hot. Okay.
Boy, chill out.
Okay. Boo pay mochi.
Boo pay mochi. After pay. Say. What is it?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Smelly smile.
Boo pay mochi. Boo pay mochi.
Come on, man.
Boo pay mochi.
Use when someone tries FaceTiming you while you are on the toilet. Come on, baby.
Pause. Boo pay mochi. Use me on the toilet. FaceTime somebody. What do you mean?
Smelly smile. Come on, baby. You know this one.
Boo pay mochi.
You know this.
What is it?
You think it too hard. Smelly smile. Smelly smile.
Boo pay mochi.
Yeah. Say it fast.
Boo pay.
Say it fast.
Boo pay mochi.
You said it.
No.
You here? Nah, you trying to cheat. You said it. You
What is it, bro?
Nah.
Boo pay mochi.
So
What's
you
that?
give up?
Yeah.
You give up?
Yeah.
You gonna be mad when I tell you what it is.
Right.
Poop emoji.
What? I wanna guess that. Poop emoji.
Smelly smile. You
Oh. Man.
put that there. No, Boo Boo probably knew that one.
Poop emoji.
Poop emoji. You put that one. Then you got that. She got that poop emoji in there.
Let's read our fortune cookies.
What about it?
Fortune cookies. Let's read our fortune. It says, mine say participation in sports may lead you to a lucrative career. Goodbye. I'm not a sports person.
Mine say unexpected vacation opportunities in your near future.
Oh Lord, I hope
Let's
I'm in
turn
that
up.
vacation with him, okay?
Let's turn up.
Wait.
And with that being said,
Let's take another little shot. Look at my shot still.
she fits us a triple.
But anyway, y'all, thank y'all. Hope y'all liked the video today. Hope y'all liked the game that we played. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all in our next video. Bye, y'all.
Peace.